Look at that. She's trying wing liner today. Good for her. Hey, fine motor skills. Can I get your help over here? Fine motor skills. Come on.
Oh, okay, what? What is so urgent? We're scrolling and texting? No, thank you.
No, she's doing a wing today.
What? Today? Okay, be cool. We love a wing. We love a big glam wing. Okay, how much time do we have?
She's got a Zoom call in 5.
5? 5 what? 5 hours?
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Are you kidding? Why does this always happen? Where is her better judgment?
Okay, you know what? You both are always so dramatic and judgy.
I'm gonna need you to get it together.
Oh, you know what? I just think it is so funny how whenever you want to have a good time, you're happy to see me go, but the one time that I take a little me day, and it's like, everything's my fault. It's my fault, right?
Here. Okay, you know what? She's getting to the hard part right now. You've got this, fine motor skills. And you know what? This is how you learn.
Totally. I'm just gonna do my best. Do my best. Think smooth thoughts, smooth like butter, smooth movements.
I am so sorry, you guys. That was totally me.
You know, if you ask me, today would have been a great day to go natural.
Better judgment, just don't.